Welcome to day 22 of 31 days of Halloween themed prints. Today we have a Bulbasaur with a pumpkin on his back. Nothing crazy, just a nice little detailed Pokemon themed one. With Pokemon still on the rise, I thought it'd be a great idea to go ahead and do a Pokemon themed print. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see how this print turned out. And here we have it, a nice little Bulbasaur with a pumpkin on his back, printed in 3 pieces, very well done. Supports were easy to come off on the interior of the pumpkin, and the rest of it was pretty good. Was printed at an angle like this, as y'all can see from the video, but a beautiful little print. Supports came out pretty well on the interior of the pumpkin. It's a wonderful piece to print for your Pokemon collection or any Halloween decorations. If you decide you want to do a Pokemon Halloween theme for a party or anything like that, that's a perfect one to go with. There's also a couple other varieties there on Thingiverse to check out as well. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video as we are nearing the end of this challenge. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys go check out the previous episodes, as we have been posting it every day so far, and we plan on continuing to have that being posted every day so I can receive that Halloween themed trophy.